Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're thinking about closing your Mint account, you're in the right place. Mint is a fantastic tool for budgeting and tracking expenses, but sometimes life changes, and you might want to switch to another app or simplify your digital life. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to close your Mint account safely and efficiently. Don't worry, it's straightforward, but always double-check to avoid any surprises. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mint account on a web browser. It's easiest to do this from a computer rather than the mobile app. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon or username. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where all the account management options are hiding. Now, in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Account Settings section. Look for an option that says something like Close Account or Delete Account. Click on that, and Mint will probably ask you to confirm your decision. They might even prompt you to provide a reason for closing, which helps them improve their service. Before you hit that final confirm button, here's a pro tip. If you have any important data like transaction history or budgets, export it first. You can usually find an export option in the settings menu to save your info as a CSV file. That way, you won't lose everything. Once you've confirmed, Mint will send a verification email to your registered address. Check your inbox, click the link, and your account will be closed. Remember, this process is irreversible, so make sure you're absolutely sure. And that's it, you've successfully closed your Mint account. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tech tutorials. See you next time.